Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to UK Textions. Today we will discuss about animations in Android. If you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page UK Textions. Animations are to use or animate a view. So let's begin. So to create an animation, we have to create a directory over here which name as anim. Then we have to create an XML file of a simple animation. So let's create here resources animation file. So we have to create here fade in, and by default the root element of this XML is set. Fade in means to hide the opacity of the view. So here we will add fill after. Fill after means to hide the view or not after animation complete. So after adding filter, now we have three animations here: alpha, rotate, scale, set, translate. Alpha means to change the opacity of a view, right? So let's start with Android alpha. This means to start from a point visibility is 0 and then to the point where the visibility will be 1. And 0.0 here 1.0, and then we have to add here the duration of this particular view. So let's say the duration is equals to 1000, means 1 second. And now we will use interpolator, which means change in rate in animation. So we are using here interpolator, which is predefined in Android, then anim, then we will use built-in interpolator. After adding add Android, this will occur, so you have to insert this one, and that's it. Our first animation is created. So that's it for fade in. So let's create fade out animation here. Simple we will do invert the views. Fill after true, then we will set alpha, then duration to alpha will be 0.0, and then we will assign here the duration, which will be 1000, then equals to, then we will add interpolation, which I had used interpolator equals to at Android, then this, then we will space here and then enter it, and then this, and just want to add alpha from. So our starting point will be, the starting animation will be the visible view and the ending point will be the hidden view, right? So it means inflate. So let's create 2 or more animation. So let's say we have to use blinking text view, blinking animation, right? This is also a part of alpha, and then we have to use from 0.0 to alpha 1.0, then repeat reverse, which means it will repeat our view. Then what we have to do is Android duration, Android duration, which is equals to 6 seconds, milliseconds, right? 600 milliseconds it's a, and then we will use Android interpolator equals to Android, and then animation accelerator, and the last one is Android repeat count, repeat count, which is equals to infinite. What it will say, infinite, right? So the blinking view is also, blinking animation is also completed. Let me show you the last one, which is rotate animation, right? So let's create here new rotate, and then we will add here fill after true, and then we will say rotate, right? So let's see here the options visible here. Let me control space, so then we will get these from degree to degree, right? From degree means your starting degree will be 0 and the ending degree will be 360 or 90 or whatever you want, right? Pivot X means to rotate it in X direction or Y direction, right? So let's start from 2 degree to from degree 0 and degree to 360, right? And then we will add 50% of pivot, 50%, and then 50% of x-axis and y-axis. Then the duration will be, you can use 1000 or 600, let's say 600 milliseconds. And then Android, we have to give here interpolator equals to at Android, and then we will select cycle, cycle, animation cycle, right? Cycle interpolator. So let's say we have to use here in repeat mode, which is reverse, and then Android repeat count, which is infinite. So that's it, we created here the rotate XML. So let's create here another animation which will be translate, or we will say move, to move a view. So here we will use filter true, then we will say translate, and here the options are from delta to delta X, from delta Y to delta Y. So in this repeat mode we will use start, not reverse but restart, to restart the animation after completing one cycle. So in this we have to create here the interpolation, which is set Android interpolation at Android, and this anim, and then we will use linear interpolation, which means we are using only linear view in one direction. Then what we will do, from delta, from x delta 0%, which means the starting point of a parent, right? Then we will use y delta, which is approx 75%, and then parent of the view, and then we will add simple duration, which is, we will use Android tag here, and then colon, and then equals to duration will be approx 60 milliseconds. So that's it. We created here 5 animations, so we have to create here. Let's copy this image and paste over in drawable. So in this tutorial we created here the animation. In next tutorial we will learn how to add the animation to the views, right? See you with another tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.